Hello and welcome. Today I'm just replying to a Godot video comment, this one here.
Merhaba, ben dosyanızı indirdikten sonra Godot'a yükleyemiyorum. Proje dosyası bulunamadı diyor.
This was Turkish and what it means is, hi, after I download your file, I can't upload it to Godot, or probably open in Godot. Says project file not found. I'm actually surprised how well this was translated. Project file not found. So this is what I think happened. From the description of the video, they probably downloaded the project by pressing code and then download zip. Alright, that's downloading down here. In Firefox and Edge, it's probably in the top right. I'll just go to show in folder. Here's a zip file. And then they also probably downloaded Godot from its official website. I will go for the standard 64-bit version. And then they extracted Godot, already had it extracted, I suppose. And then I guess they ran it. Well, what you'd have to do now is press import, browse, and then pick the zip file. Give it a name, I guess. Let's call it platformer. Okay, oh boy, this interface. You have to create the folder first. Platformer. Okay, the import thing is gone. How weird. So again, pick the zip file. Platformer. Import and edit. Missing project. Yeah, this zip file import doesn't seem to really work. So what you have to do in this case is right-click and pick extract all, or right-click drag and pick extract, and hit extract. Okay, here it is again. I'm just gonna move these all further down. So this is the reason why it didn't work. This project actually has multiple projects inside of it, multiple Godot projects. There's Coindash, Escape the Maze, Space Rocks, Jungle Jump, 3D Mini Golf. So Jungle Jump sounds like what we need, so let's pick that, copy the path, and import and paste it. Import and confirm, and it's done. And here's the game. Here. Okay, well, it crashes because I guess it has a bug somewhere. Parse error, spaces used before tabs on a line. Okay. Okay, let's save that and try again. Yeah, now it works. Wee! Oops. And maybe we can just drag these project folders onto Godot as well? No, we can't. Okay, import, browse, and then pick Coindash, and Godot project, and import and edit, and OK. And let's start the game. Oh, I have to use arrow keys. Boy, is this loud. Hope this helps opening template projects that might be a bit different from the expected format, and have fun making games. Until next time, ciao.